Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today, we are going to talk about something that can change your whole life if you understand it. We are going to talk about confidence, how to feel more confident, how to stop doubting yourself all the time, how to stand up, speak, and live your life without always thinking, what will people say about me? Maybe you are watching this because you feel shy. Maybe your hands shake when you have to speak in English. Maybe your heart beats fast when you want to ask a question in class. Maybe you want to post a video online, but then you think, no, I am not good enough. People will laugh at me. So you delete it. You stay silent. You hide. If this is you, I want you to know something. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. Even the most confident people you see today were not always like that. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is not something you were born with or without. Confidence is a skill. And, like any skill, you can build it step by step. In this video, I will share 3 simple but powerful tips to boost your confidence. These are not complicated theories. These are practical ideas that you can use in your daily life, starting today. So stay with me until the end, and while you listen, think about your own life. Think about where you need more confidence, in speaking English, in talking to people, in sharing your ideas, or in making big decisions. Let us begin with a short story. Imagine a boy named Rohan. Rohan is good at studying. He understands his subjects, and at home he can explain everything clearly. But in class, when the teacher asks who knows the answer, Rohan keeps his head down. His mind screams, "You know this. Raise your hand." But another voice inside whispers, "What if you are wrong? What if people laugh? Just stay quiet." So he stays quiet. Later, someone else gives the same answer he had in his head, and everyone praises that student. Rohan feels small. He thinks, "I am so stupid. I can never speak confidently." Now listen carefully. Rohan is not stupid. His problem is not knowledge. His problem is confidence. And the beautiful truth is, confidence can grow. So let us see how the first tip to boost your confidence is. Change the way you talk to yourself. Confidence does not start on the stage. It starts in your mind. There is a voice inside your head that speaks all day. When you make a mistake, does it say, "You are useless"? Or does it say, "It's okay, you are learning"? When you see other people doing well, does it say, "They are better than you, you are nothing"? Or does it say, "If they can do it, maybe I can do it too"? Most people have a very rude voice in their head. They speak to themselves in a way they would never speak to a friend. Imagine your best friend comes to you and says, "I tried to speak English, but I made a mistake." Would you say, "You are an idiot. Never try again"? Of course not. You would say, "It's okay, you are learning. Next time will be better." But when you make a mistake, you tell yourself, "I am so stupid. I should just shut up." This negative self-talk slowly kills your confidence. To change this, you must start catching your thoughts. When you notice a sentence like, "I can't do this," add one small word, "yet." Say, "I can't do this yet, but I am learning." Instead of, "I always fail," say, "Sometimes I fail, but I also learn. I am improving." Instead of, "Everyone is better than me," say, "Everyone is on their own journey. I am on mine. I will grow in my own time." Let me give you a simple daily exercise. Every night before you sleep, tell yourself 3 sentences. Today I tried. Today I learned. Tomorrow I will be better. Say it in your own language or in English, but say it. Slowly, your brain will start to believe that you are not useless. You are a learner, and learners grow. The second tip to boost your confidence is build it with small actions every day. Confidence does not come from thinking. It comes from doing. You can watch 100 videos about confidence, but if you never take action, nothing will change. It is like learning how to swim by only reading a book. At some point, you must touch the water. Think of confidence like a muscle in your body. If you never use it, it stays weak. If you use it a little bit, every day, it becomes strong. So, instead of waiting for a big, magical moment when you suddenly become very confident, start with small confidence exercises. Let us go back to Rohan after feeling bad many times. He decides to try something new. He tells himself, tomorrow in class, I will raise my hand just one time. Even if I am afraid, even if my voice shakes, I will raise my hand once. The next day, his heart is racing. His hands are cold. But when the teacher asks a simple question, Rohan slowly raises his hand. The teacher calls his name. He gives the answer. His voice is not perfect. His sentence is not perfect. But he does it. And guess what? The world does not end. Some classmates don't even notice. The teacher says, "Good job, Rohan." In that moment, something small but powerful happens inside him. His confidence muscle grows a little bit. The key is this: do not wait until you feel confident. Do the action first, and the confidence will follow later. For example, if you are shy to speak English, your small action can be, every day, say one sentence in English to someone. Just one sentence. At the shop, say, "Good morning." To a friend, say, "How are you?" To your mirror, say, "I am learning English." It sounds simple, but these small actions add up. If you are scared to talk to new people, your small action can be, smile and say hello to one person each day. You don't need a long conversation. Just "Hi, how are you?" That is enough to train your confidence. If you are afraid to share your work, your writing, your art, or your ideas, your small action can be, share one thing with one safe person. Then later, share with 2 people. Then, maybe with a small group. Step by step, you stretch your comfort zone. Remember this sentence: confidence is not built in one big jump. It is built in many small steps. So ask yourself, what is one small, brave action I can take today? Not tomorrow, not next year, today. Write it down, do it. And then tomorrow, do another one. The third tip to boost your confidence is prepare and use your body language. Many people think confidence is only a feeling, but it is also a behavior. The way you stand, the way you breathe, the way you move your body sends a message to your brain and to other people. Let us imagine 2 versions of you walking into a room. In the first version, your shoulders are down, your head is looking at the floor, your back is bent, your steps are slow. You are saying in your mind, "Please, no one look at me. I am nothing." What message does your body send? It says, "I am weak. I am not confident." People see that, and they also treat you like that. Now, imagine the second version of you. You stand a little taller. Your shoulders are slightly back. Your head is up. Your eyes look straight, not at the floor. You breathe slowly and deeply. You walk with calm steps. You do not need to be loud. You do not need to smile like crazy. Just open, calm, and present. What message does your body send now? It says, I respect myself. I belong here. People feel that energy, and they respond differently. Here is a secret many people don't know. Your body affects your mind. When you change your body language, your brain also starts to feel more confident. So, before an important moment, an exam, a presentation, a meeting, a conversation, take 1 minute. Stand up straight. Take 3 deep breaths. Relax your face. Roll your shoulders back. Tell yourself, I can do this. I am prepared enough. I will do my best. Then walk in. But body language alone is not enough. Real confidence also comes from preparation. If you have an English speaking test and you do not prepare at all, of course you will feel scared. If you have a job interview and you do not practice answers, you will feel lost. Confidence grows when you know, I have done my homework. I am ready. So, before any situation that scares you, ask yourself, how can I prepare a little more? If it is an English exam, practice common questions. If it is a presentation, practice in front of the mirror or in front of a friend. If it is talking to someone you respect, think in advance about 2 or 3 lines you can say. Preparation is like putting money in your confidence bank. When the time comes, you can use that money. Let me tell you about a girl named Mira. Mira had to give a small presentation in her college. Just 3 minutes. But she was terrified. She thought, I will forget everything. Everyone will laugh. My English is not good. But this time, she decided to prepare and to use her body. For 1 week, every evening, she stood in front of the mirror and practiced her speech. Her English was not perfect, but she focused on being clear. She watched her shoulders, her eyes, her hands. She took deep breaths. On the day of the presentation, she was still afraid. Her heart was still fast. But when she stood up, her body remembered the practice. She looked at the class, smiled a little, and began. She did not speak like a movie star, but she spoke better than ever before. When she finished, people clapped. Her teacher smiled, and inside, Mira felt something new. I did it. I can do hard things. That feeling is the seed of strong confidence. So now, let us bring all 3 tips together. First, change your inner voice. Stop attacking yourself in your mind. Talk to yourself like you would talk to a dear friend. Be kind, but also honest. Say, I am not perfect, but I am learning. I am growing. I can improve. Second, take small, brave actions every day. Confidence is built by doing, not just by thinking. Choose one small action that scares you a little, but not too much. Do it, then another one. Slowly, your comfort zone will expand, and what scares you today will feel normal tomorrow. Third, prepare and use your body language. Stand a little taller. Breathe deeper. Lift your head. Practice before important moments. When your body and your preparation support you, your mind will feel stronger. I want you to remember this. Confidence is not about never feeling fear. Confident people also feel fear. The difference is, they do not let fear control their life. They feel the fear, and they move anyway, step by step. Maybe today you are at level 1 of confidence. That is okay. Everyone starts somewhere. If you use these 3 tips again and again, after some time you will look back and think, wow, I am not the same as before. I speak more. I try more. I believe in myself more. That will be your reality. Now, I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, in which part of your life do you need more confidence right now? Is it speaking English, talking to people, interviews, or something else? And which tip from this video will you start using today? Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me on Mr. English Talks. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.